So I wanted to try something different, and I just got bangs. I don't ever wear bangs, friends, but understand this is definitely under $200 and fall appropriate. Respect my style, you're my truth. You know the pink box and you know what it do. Okay, so this wig is from UNice. They did sponsor this video. Hey UNice, thank you for sponsoring. Okay, so I did get this brown, sandy brown wig, a color that I wanted to try because I haven't tried this color from them before, or this style. Okay, now do I think bangs fit me and my face shape, and do they look good on me? That's to be debated, but I really don't care for bangs. But this wig was basically, the construction was really good actually, because I've had bang wigs before, and I can tell you that I don't like a whole bunch of lace, but I don't like those invisible parts. And this one is good because it does have lace, only in the middle where your parting would be, where it can show scalp. You feel me? So that's what I liked about this particular unit. Now, it is glueless. You do not have to apply any glue whatsoever. It has combs and has an elastic band so you can keep it on your head. Now, I tossed this wig on my head and I just noticed that how the color clashes with my skin tone. Okay, like I need this to be a little bit more brown for me, for my liking. Okay, but anyway, we still gonna rock through. Rocking through. So I'm just taking some of the length off the front, just cutting it a little shorter because it wasn't framing my face too well. So I was like, okay, let me just cut this and cut the bangs. And I like that they left the bangs a little long so you could go and adjust it yourself instead of cutting them short and they be too short, because everybody's face shape is different and head length is different. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. So I was just playing with the hair just to see how well it flat ironed. Mind you, I think this is like a Yaki straight texture, okay? This is definitely a Yaki, or like a coarse natural texture. I would have loved to see this in a darker color, or maybe just a body wave texture, not Yaki. But yeah, but I like Yaki because it gives you the fullness instead of you having to have a super thick wig. So anyway, I did my makeup, so I came back, and it's time for me to really try to do something with this wig. So what I did is I went and I got my curlers out and I curled this wig, or put some waves in this wig. I did go in and like layer it a little bit more because it was still not giving what I wanted it to give. So I did go in and layer it a little bit more. And just to make sure that this wig was sitting the right way, I like the lace at the top because it makes sure that your wig is super flat at the top. So I'm just going to get in with some wax stick and my pressing comb and just pressing it just to make sure that I have no humps or no lumps or just making sure that it's cute. On the beat. So, and at this point, I'm just going to use my curlers like a wand. And so I'm just going to wand the entire wig and then comb it out. I knew I didn't want super tight curls. I just knew I just wanted a little wave to it. So that's what I did, and I ended up combing them out. I'm sorry. And so after that, I was like, let me see what it would look like if I pinned some of it up. It would have looked cute, especially if I had like a little cute headband, a cloth headband to go around this. This would look like a messy, cute hairstyle, like a on the go. But I didn't have anything on hand. I did use bobby pins to pin them up. And it was cute. See, she looks cute. But it was just like, okay, it's missing something. And it don't have like you could see the tracks on the side, but you could kind of camouflage that with the hair. So that's what I was doing. But I think that was super cute. But then I ended up just letting the hair down and wearing it that way for the day. So like I told you earlier, I was going to go in and layer it a little bit more. And yeah, that was about it. I am going to go back in this wig and deepen the color. Or give myself some highlights and some roots. I think highlights and roots would be better. But yeah, other than that, like right here, it looks cute. The bangs are a little bit longer. I do need to cut the bangs a little bit more. But yeah, if you're interested in this throw-on wig that's under $200, I'll have her link down below in the description box for you. And if you like these videos, make sure you can like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another one. Bye, best friends.